Hi, I'm Ms. Boom. Let's look at the null factor law. What is the null factor law? The null factor law states that if you have two numbers and you multiply them and it gives you 0, then one of the numbers, either A or B, should be 0, or they're both zeros. Let's use that to solve for x. So we have a factor here, x, and another factor, x minus 2, and they multiply to give 0. So using the null factor law, that means x is equal to 0, or the other factor, which is x minus 2 is equal to 0. And we can solve. Well, for that one, it's already given, x is 0. And for that one over there, we bring the 2 to the other side, and we get x is equal to 2. So it gives us the solutions. Let's try another one. So this factor is equal to 0, 2x minus 5 is 0. Simplify that, so bring the 5 to the other side. We have 2x equals 5. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 5 over 2, which is 2.5. And then don't forget the other factor, 3 minus x is 0. For this equation, I would like to move the x to the other side, not the 3, so that there's one less line of working out, because when I move the x to the other side, x becomes positive. So now x is equal to 3. Let's try another one. X minus 5 squared is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 5. Notice that in this situation, we only have one solution. Another question. Here we have 2 plus x is equal to 0. So bring the 2, subtract 2 on both sides, we have x equals minus 2. And again, 10 minus x is 0. What do? Let's move the x to the other side. So now 10 is equal to x, or x is equal to 10. So the solutions for this one is minus 2 and 10. Here are a few questions for you to try. Pause the video and give it a go yourself, and unpause to see the solutions. So here we have our solution is going to be negative as we move the 2 over the other side. So negative 2 over 3, and that one's also negative, negative 5 over 2. It doesn't matter if you wrote the answers as decimal points for the second one. But the first one, when we have thirds, it's better to use fractions. For this one, we have a negative there. So when we move it to the other side, we're going to get a positive 1 over 2. That one's going to be negative 2. Here we have 7 minus n, so the answer for that one will be positive 7, and the answer for that one, again, it's going to be positive 2.5. Bring the 5 over, dividing by 2. That one over there, when you bring the 7.5 over, you get positive 7.5, divided by 3 is 2.5. And that one there, bringing the 1 over, will be minus 1. That one there, the n is 2n is equal to 0, so n is 0. And for that factor over there, bring the 7 over, becomes positive 7. Dividing by 0.1 gives us 70. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching. Practice these so that you're super quick with it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!